This weekend we're offering a discount on our sterling silver round wire. Metal wire is one of the most basic but an essential jewellery making supplies, and from such a simple thing you can create some really wonderful creations, whether this is bangle, rings or wire wrapping beads and crystals. With festival season and the warmer weather arriving, we've been thinking about wire work, wire wrapping and using thin wires like 0.3 or 0.5 to wire wrap crystals and rough gems. Here we've used some 0.3 wire, starting with about 10 centimetres in 4 strips to create a little cage for these fluorite octahedrons. All you do really is use the thin wire, form a little cage to hold the base of the crystal, continue to wrap the wires around each other to form a little cage, and then bend a loop in the wire at the top of the crystal, wrap the remaining wire around itself, and that forms a bail which you can then hang from a chain or jump ring to accessorise earrings, necklaces or a bracelet. So we hope you make the most of our crystal sale. We've got up to 50% off and our discount on the round sterling silver wire this weekend.